Oh yeah. Great job.
What's up guys, we're here at Todd Beamer High School. We're gonna take our RC trucks, mine and Hayden's RC trucks, for a little spin and hopefully we can get a few jumps for you guys. What kind of car do you have? Oh, that's a nice truck, Hayden. That's a cool truck. Who got you that truck? Drive it. Yeah. Let's race, Hayden. You ready? Say, go. I won! Hey, don't do that! You can't do that! Now you're gonna break your truck! Don't ever throw that down. That's not good. You have a baby truck. Daddy has a big truck, that's why it's fast.
Good job.
Wow, good job, Hayden.
The light turns on.